Hi, welcome to United Armies Self-Talk. In this video, we will learn the 12 basic strikes of United Army. The 12 basic strikes of United Army are a combination of striking, thrusting, and butting techniques. In today's practice of Army, thrusting and butting techniques are introduced to the students on their intermediate and advanced levels. However, for United Army, thrusting and butting are incorporated in the 12 basic strikes. Strike 1. Strike to the left temple area of the opponent. Strike 2. Strike to the left knee area of the opponent. Strike 3. Strike to the right temple area of the opponent. Strike 4. Strike to the right knee area of the opponent. Strike 5. Strike to the left shoulder area of the opponent. Strike 6. Strike to the right shoulder area of the opponent. Strike 7. Thrust or poke to the left chest. Strike 8. Thrust or poke to the right chest. Strike 9. Butt to the left eye. Strike 10. Butt to the right eye. Strike 11. Center thrust. Strike 12. Strike to the crown of the head. The most important thing in practicing the 12 strikes is to practice it continuously and repeatedly, being conscious of the target, stance, footwork, and basic body movement. Repeating the 12 strikes helps build retention, muscle memory, and muscle conditioning.